Okay, we have another update. I want you to pay attention to the seasonal studio. It's right here. And this is where we're going to be putting seasonal things. Halloween, Christmas, New Year, Hanukkah. I'm starting with snow globes. Right now there's 6 snow globes. I'm sure I will add more. And it's super simple. So you just click choose your photo. Okay, and I put some in a little folder that could be as possible samples, so I'm not digging all over my hard drive. Grab your image, and then you're going to put it in the right spot. I think I want, oh yeah, there we go. I think I want this one. And then you can increase the size of it. Put it where you want. There is a brush if you want to do some erasing. So I think I just want to erase a little bit up here. Perfect. Love it. And then you can change the lighting, the haze, the reflections. I love this one, so I'm going to download it. Of course, you can also upscale it as well. So let's pick another one. So let's see, maybe Santa's desk. Choose a photo. Let's try this. And then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Oh, I can move it. I erased it. Let's try a different one. I don't know if I love that image. Let's see. Oh, maybe this one. How about that one? Perfect. Now make sure you're on the right tool. There's move. And I actually think I really like this. Can increase the size a little bit. And then I can just erase the bottom, because that way their legs aren't going out of the frame. And then you can choose whether you want to match the lighting, what haze you want, any reflections. Once you're happy, download. Let's try another one. What about maybe winter trees? Choose a photo. Oh gosh, maybe this one. Let me move the size, move a little bit. And here's where I definitely want to do some erasing. So there's a little extra here. And maybe I erase here. So I'll increase my brush size a little bit. I like that, but let me pick another one. Maybe this one. I'm going to bring, while it's big, I'll do some erasing. And then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to move it and now make it a little bit smaller. Maybe there. Then I'll go back and do some erasing. And then you can change your colors, how you want it, the haze, and there you have it. So there you go. So check out the seasonal studio at thestudiosocialsystem.com and make sure you keep an eye on it, because we are going to be adding new things every single week. This is just the beginning. As always, go back to All Studios and you can see all the different ways that you can increase your productivities, from birth announcements to your ads, back to school, creating books, business cards, calendars, collages, so many things that you could do. Make sure you log into thestudiosocialsystem.com.